Welcome to Ingenious World News. Today we'll be covering Apple, the smartphone maker, and Tesla, the auto manufacturer, who will finally be doing business together after many years of rivalry. This story is coming from CNBC, who announced that Apple will be building a renewable energy storage facility, probably located in a farm area or somewhere with open land. They are looking to store 240 megawatt hours of energy, which can power up more than 7,000 homes. In order to build this facility, they need lots and lots of battery packs, which Tesla currently has. Over the last several years, Tesla and Apple have been rivals, even though they sell different products, but are both trying to build cutting-edge software and a technology ecosystem. For this new clean energy project, they must have put their disputes to the side and paired up, as Apple will be using Tesla's new cutting-edge Megapack batteries to store this new clean energy. Ultimately, this story is great as two leaders finally paired together to help planet Earth become a little bit more sustainable. Comment below if you think these two companies will continue to collaborate or this will be it. And if so, what other projects could they do together? Thanks for watching your Daily Ingenious Report.